It's no surprise that I'm a big fan of Meze audio. The Empyrean was the first headphone I reviewed, and it was responsible for bringing me into the world of audiophilia. Speaking of audiophilia, be sure to click that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any of our latest videos on all the best music gear. The 99 Classics are to the Empyrean as the Rai Solo is to the Rai Penta. One is obviously entry-level and the other is high-end or flagship quality, but it doesn't diminish the overall quality and value that the entry-level model has. That's the thing about Meze audio that I've come to appreciate. Every product they put out just sounds awesome. The 99 Classics look classy too. I like the metal accent with the rather simple wood cup design. It gives off a minimalist aesthetic when compared to the flagship Empyrean or the Elite. Like the Empyrean, they're also extremely comfortable. The headrest forms to your head via an elastic mechanism that assures a snug but precise fit. The headrest is wide enough too, so it evenly distributes the weight evenly across your head. The ear cups are light and the memory foam is great at creating a solid seal with plenty of room. The 99 Classics come in a nice maple silver or walnut color. Both look really slick. Overall, I'm very pleased with the comfort, styling, and build quality of the 99 Classics. It feels and looks quite premium despite the entry-level price point. This comfort level means long listening sessions. I've listened to them for hours and hours without any fatigue whatsoever. The 99 Classics produce a fair amount of bottom end. Sub-bass is present in most of the genres I've listened to, but most of the punch ended up being in the mid to higher bass frequencies. Bass was never bloated, but it becomes less defined the busier the mix in my opinion. The mid-range is certainly where a lot of the action lies in these headphones, with the upper mid-range having a lot of energy when listening to rock and guitar-driven music. Mids and highs are extremely clear, and the treble is quite relaxed and smooth. The Soundstage isn't as expansive as the Empyreans or the Elite, but I also wouldn't expect a 40mm dynamic driver to outperform some of the best planar magnetic drivers on the market. However, there is some great separation in imaging from the 99 Classics. The closed-back design of the headphone doesn't impede the Soundstage too much, as the curved ear cups help to create some space, albeit minimally. I would say my only point of contention with the 99 Classics has to deal with the volume to fatigue ratio. The only time I felt myself experiencing some listening fatigue was after listening to the headphones at very loud levels for extended amounts of times. We're talking 80% plus here. They were never that harsh at these volumes, but the sheer energy exuded by the mid and high frequencies did tire my ears after a while. I would consider these volumes above average to stress the headphone in my testing sessions. At normal volumes up to 70-75%, they're superb. Warmth and smoothness throughout my listening experiences really helped me to enjoy my music with a surprising amount of clarity. It's surprising how much I found myself liking these headphones. Also, the price point is just right to make these a daily driver or pair of travel cans that will provide much more fidelity than your Apple AirPods or Beats. Like I said before, Meze Audio makes premium products and they do a great job bringing that premium quality and sound to all price points. We'll include a link to the full review, and remember to click that subscribe button so you don't miss our videos on the latest audiophile gear. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.